Alrighty, so I am here once again on this job that I did the vinyl plank in this room here recently. You guys might have seen that. And I am back to do, this step. I'm going to be hand sewing this on that corner and that corner and just make it fit, set it right on there and get it tight. So this will be the literally very first time I've ever hand sewn on a job. I've only done it around my studio to get practice. So let's put it to the works in real life experiences. As John Stewart would say, this is real life, baby. Let's do it. So I'm going to use my glue gun with, well, not all of them, but some of these glue sticks and jet tack to secure my tack strip on this brick. What I'm doing right now, I'm just seeing anywhere I have movement, like here, anywhere it's not touching, see how that dips down. So I'm gonna actually, anywhere like this, see that is up higher, so I'm gonna cut it right there. Let's see, right here, there's a dip down here. So I'm gonna cut it here to let that fall down that direction. Anywhere there's a dip down, I'm gonna cut it on the high spot, right there. And that will allow it to just barely do a little bit of a lean to make contact everywhere so that it gets a nice secure hold when I glue it. Jet tack, hot glue. Jet tack is the strength. Hot glue holds it till the jet tack sets. Put a little bead right there to weld them together. All right, we got her all prepped out and ready to cut some carpet. Just stick on this bad boy. You can certainly get detailed as you want when you're gluing them on there, rather than hammering or drilling. Okay, I'm just about ready. I'm fixing to dry this latex up with a heat gun and get to putting my stitches in. Y'all wish me luck. I've done this at my studio, never on the job. Okay, the time to put it on the step. I have flipped it over, latexed my stitches. Let's install this bad boy. Yep, that's right. You can use carpet trimmers upside down. Okay, well, that does it. And I am really happy with the way this turned out. Really glad everything worked out. I don't think I could be any happier with the way it turned out. It just did beautiful. So I will be doing this from here on out. And I'll just get faster and faster and faster and faster. Before you know it, I'll be able to do one of these in about 20 minutes. And that's about the time it takes one to shoot staples or whatever else that they need to do. So, gotta love it, son. Never stop learning. Knowledge is power. Go get that education. Take you some scraps home and practice. That's what this come from. Like I said, I've never done this on a job before. Just at home practicing. You can do the same thing, okay? I'm no better than you. Order you some stuff and practice, practice, practice.